I shall be trying to be very quick. So it's not an Oscar ceremony, so I'll say thank you very much to everyone. So the speakers, the panel, and obviously the organizers. So all these events, they don't happen very easily. There are people behind, people like Joe Balfour from the Cambridge Rare Disease Network, people like Georgina Norris, who is working on the campus with us and closely with the NIHR BioResource. But thanks to you, actually, all of you, for coming. So people who actually are just members of the public who are just interested in coming to the event, like the lovely lady next to me, the rare disease patients, their family, their carers, the patient groups, all our collaborators and healthcare professionals. So thank you very much for coming, for trying to raise awareness for the rare disease community and the research that we are doing. I hope you have seen a small example, but an exciting example of the research that we do on campus, and that we'll continue to do for. So the Cambridge Rare Disease Network, as Patrick mentioned, they are very much committed to ensure that there is a regional community around the rare disease. They organize events, they do activities for the patients and their families. The BioResource, the NIHR BioResource remain committed to rare disease research. We said that we will actually look into up to 100 rare disease by March 22, when our funding currently ends. I know that 100 is little compared to the more than 6,000, but it's something, and we are certainly listening to you. So if you are interested in pushing a project forward, please come and talk to us. We will have some feedback for you, but I have one last question for you. And if you remember, that was Patrick's questions, but now I just wanted to ask you, what new rare disease information have you learned tonight? A lot, some of it, a little, maybe nothing. Yes, okay. Okay, 138, I've lost a few people already. Right, fantastic. So if I remember correctly, and I've looked onto it, so there was only 13% when we started. We are now at 32% of you, so 1/3 have learned quite a lot about rare disease, and at least more than 50 of you have learned some things about rare disease, and that's progress. I know it's maybe little progress, but it's good progress. So thank you very much for listening to us. We will send you some feedback by email. Please answer. We'd like to hear from ideas, new topics, even feedback on the venue. If you're interested, we'll send that by email. Please complete it. We will also ask you when you leave to actually drop your very nice little pad that you voted. Thank you very much for contributing to this. We'd like to invite you to come to the outside area for some drinks and nibble, networking. Bug us, any of us, for questions and projects. We are here for that. I'd like to thank you again for coming over, and have a safe journey back home. Thank you.